Nigeria Samuel Nwajagu has won Mr. International. Mr. International is the equivalent of Miss Nigeria, which was won by Chidima Adesina Owen last month. Nwajagu won Mr. International, that's Nigerian version, in July this year. Also qualified him to go contest for the international. This is the first time in Nigeria actually winning Mr. International. And the ceremony happened in Bangkok, Thailand. This very big month for Nigerian in breaking international records. Chidima has done her own. Chidima came second runner up to the Miss Universe. Then another person just some days ago, earlier this month, broke another Guinness World Record, which was actually held by Nigeria for the longest interview. Was actually held by a YouTuber, Chizoba, and Chizoba actually broke the record last year. And then a new person now is Princess Okechukwu Joseph. I think she has not even been added to the website. This thing happened like a week ago in Enugu State. And she actually did something very wonderful, close to 3 days, 72 hours, 11 minutes. That's what she broke. And I think the other person was having like 55 or 55 hours. Then she added almost like 20 hours. Man, I think Guinness Record, they go hear her from Nigeria.